Today we're making a shortcrust pastry with rhubarb pudding foam. It's delicious. Definitely prepare it at home, and you can find the exact ingredient quantities in the description under the video. Put the butter, egg yolks, baking powder, sugar powder, and flour into a bowl. Lastly, a pinch of salt and knead into a uniform dough. After kneading, divide the dough into two parts. 70% and the smaller part is used to line a baking tray lined with baking paper. The tray measures 20 by 30 centimeters. Smooth it out, then pierce with a fork and bake at 180 degrees for about 20 minutes until the dough becomes nicely browned. And in the meantime, we prepare the foam. Beat the egg whites into a stiff peak with sugar and a pinch. As you can see, we add sugar in stages. Mix for a bit, then add another stage of sugar. For this recipe, we need 5 egg whites. Once the egg whites are stiffly beaten, I add 2 sugar-free pudding powders, each weighing 40 grams, and finally pour in half a cup of oil in a steady stream and mix for a bit. The foam is ready. Transfer the prepared foam onto the cooled base. Next, layer the chopped rhubarb. We'll need around 400 or 500 grams of chopped rhubarb. On top of that, we grate the dough we've put in the freezer and we bake the cake for about 40 minutes at 180 degrees. Once done, let it cool, sprinkle with powder, and it's ready. Tasty, simple to prepare, you must try it out. I recommend using exact measurements, or you'll find the full recipe on my blog. The link is below the video. Best regards.